it's okay. It's all good. All good. It's all good. I'm still gonna eat these crab legs though. I'm still gonna eat these crab legs. It was a better view outside, but I guess I can't control the weather, so. You jealous? You say you jealous? You want some crab legs? They are seasoned, actually. I don't eat crab legs with seasoning on top of it. My crab legs actually marinates in the seasoning, so the inside is seasoned. So yeah, thank you. Y'all just be putting y'all seasoning on it and thick as seasoning. You gotta put that seasoning on the inside. You gotta let that marinate. I don't know why it started raining. I don't know why it started raining all of a sudden, y'all. I use Saison. I use adobo, I use Goya, I use lemon pepper, and garlic. I'm not going to, God damn it. I'm not gonna use melted butter because that's not healthy. So I'm not gonna use that as a dip because it's not healthy. No, he's walking around. It's not raining no more, but I'm not going back outside because it might start raining again. So yeah, it might start raining again. So he's here. He's right there, laying down. Oh, and cayenne pepper too. What are you talking about at the store? First of all, I'm not, no. My dog can't eat crab legs. I don't even think he would like it. No, no butter. You ain't about to make me no butter for me. I'm good. Y'all can have that. I wasn't in Publix, so I wasn't in Publix. I hope I didn't show his face on camera. Did I show his face? I hope not. I wasn't trying to embarrass that man. I just wasn't. What y'all eating today? That's good. Listen, this got enough seasoning on it. I don't need no butter. I ain't trying to have high blood pressure around this bitch. Hell no. No, thank you. No, no, no. Oh, I need this to be closer. Who, me? Do I like Dungeon or King? I like both. Oh my God. I like both. The only crab I don't like is blue crab. Because I feel like it's pointless, to be honest. Like, what are we doing here? Why are we eating blue crab? Like, yeah, it's like pointless. Why do females eat while they're alive? I don't know. Why not? I mean, it's what we're doing at the time. I mean, I just eat. I mean, I just like to eat. I mean, I'm just on live while I'm eating. Oh, I forgot I could crack it right here. Yeah, I did. Because we hungry. Hold on, y'all. Give me 1 second. This is the sauce. I mean, the seasoning, the seasoning that I made the crab with. I'm just pouring some on there so I can. I mean, yeah, right? At least I talk to y'all. It's just what I'm doing at the time. Ah. Oh, when I walked away, it got better focus? Oh. No, this is snow crab. This is not king crab. Thank you. After my lunch, I don't know yet. This not king, this snow crab. If this was king crab, oh my god. Ooh. I know my neighbors like this girl always doing something. Oh my god. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Did they have king crab? I don't even think I looked for king crab. Yeah, I don't even think I looked for king crab, honestly. Next time I eat some king crab. Some of these ain't, some of these too small. I sold you a bottle before. I'm not making those right now. I should, huh? I should, huh? Oh. Anyway, what y'all eating today? What y'all eating on this lovely I'm in Georgia. Okay, y'all. Leftover Chick-fil-A sandwich. Oh man, come on. You're not supposed to eat no leftover chicken sandwich. How you even do that? How you even save a chicken sandwich? Oh man. All right, y'all. I'm gonna eat one more cluster and I'm gonna eat the rest later. I don't feel like cracking no more. But this is good, y'all. It's good. Ugh. Ain't shit. Oh, I'm about to say ain't shit in here. I don't know. I have no idea. Didn't I say that was the last one? I lied. God damn it. Oh, shit. Now the sun want to come out and it's not raining no more. All right, y'all, this is my last one. Yo, you said my dude better take me for a walk after this food. Y'all, this is my last one. God damn it. I see why some people don't want to eat crab. All this work. All this work. Ain't shit. I'm done. All right, y'all. That was my last one. I mean, I got more, but I don't feel like eating no more. Okay, this is my last one. This is my last one for real. Ooh, look at that. Y'all don't know about it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is my last one, y'all. That's good. Thank you. Why do I eat crab? Why not? It's the last one, y'all. Ooh. Look at that. What you gonna do with all that? My lovely lady lumps. Hey. That shit good. When I'm coming to where? North Carolina.